Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl NonoObi. If you're new to this channel, please, of course, you know what I want you to do already. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. If you don't enjoy it as well, please give it a thumbs up because of course I put up a hard work to do this video. Okay, so guys, in today's video it's actually very juicy, right? We're going to be talking about mistakes you shouldn't make on your first date, mistakes you should avoid on your first date, dating mistakes you should never make. Okay, yes, these dating mistakes, of course, they can make or break the relationship. You know, that guy you've been eyeing, that guy you've been liking, that guy you've been finding so interesting finally tells you, girl, I want to take you on a date. Oh girl, you should compose now, because if you don't, it's gonna make or break the relationship. So I'm here today to tell you things you should avoid so you don't end up breaking or making your relationship. No, so you don't end up breaking your relationship, not even making it, because this video is gonna help you to make the relationship rather than breaking the relationship, right? So the one here is ordering takeaway on your first date. Girl, this makes you look very cheap. Oh my god, just forget about it. Before you met him, you were not eating. Before you met him, you were not eating rice, be pizza, be moi, whatever. What makes you think is that the way that you're going to take that is going to satisfy your craving for the rest of your life living on the earth? So I just think basically you should forget about taking, you know, packing takeaway on your first date, especially with guy you have interest in or guy you feel like you want to have a long-term thing with. Just take away, exit is not, it's not cute. It's not cute. Come back and use the money and buy it, okay? This attitude actually, you know, pisses some guys away. And you know, some guys away, will I say, some guys that wants good, you know, good interest, like that wants good things for you. How would I even put it? Like some guys that has you good at heart, like it actually pisses them off. When I mean guys that have you good at heart, I mean the ones that don't want to, the ones that wants to come and not take and go, the ones that want to come, take and stay. Just what I'm saying right here. So it actually like pisses off, like it's actually a turn off. You don't need to take away, please guys. Even if you love what you guys are eating that particular moment, you could just, you know, still save up money and come back and buy it instead of making a takeaway. Like it's just so lowering and so disgusting and so not touche and so not bougie at all. Like, God, shouldn't think about doing that, okay? And number 2 here is sending nude pictures. Guys, I don't even know how to say this. I don't even know how to explain this exactly, but I've seen most often, like, you meet a guy today and of course tomorrow you guys are all jiggling, and of course next 2 days you're sending new pictures to the person. I just feel basically you don't even know this person very well to start exchanging new pictures with this particular person. And since you barely know this person, you met this person on Monday, Tuesday, and on Wednesday you're already exchanging new pictures with the person. Do you think exchanging new pictures with the person is going to keep this guy, or is going to make this guy get interested with you, or is going to make this guy date you for a very long time? Actually, they know what they're doing. He's going to even irritate the guy. Yeah, he's going to irritate the guy. What is this how this girl does? Like, I just met this girl about 2 days ago and she's already like very comfortable sending me her nude pictures. Apparently this is how she does with other guys, and I wouldn't want to be a partner with it. He's gonna be, you know, he's gonna be acting all jelly with you, but inside his heart he's like, no, I think this girl is not gonna be a relationship type. I think I'm just gonna keep this girl by the side, of course, have fun when I feel like doing something, and I know she's just kind of person that's just willing and freely to give it to me. So there are so many disadvantages in it. You just don't want to find yourself in that situation. Yes, you just want to find yourself in that situation because at this very moment you guys barely know yourself, and conscience for him where you are is just 0. He can do anything because he barely has conscience for you, because you guys have not developed that friendship. You guys have not developed that interest with each other for you to for him to, you know, consider you not taking these pictures or anything so far. But if you feel like that kind of girl that is very comfortable on the 3rd date, on the 4th date to start sending new pictures and everything, if you feel that you're that kind of person that is very comfortable, you can just send and cut off your face or something. Of course, if you decide to take your pictures out or take your videos out and your face is not showing, hey, whose business? But apparently I just feel it's not cool, and you guys have not developed any friendship, you have not developed any interest with each other, emotions and conscience has not started running between both of you, so anything can happen. The guy can decide to, you know, move away, or, you know, create scenes or situations with these particular pictures. So I just find it not being interesting. You can also decide not to do it at all, but it's still okay and whatever. Girls, posting guys on your page. Posting guys on your page, well, I just feel, well, in this time and age, I think most people don't do that again, except the relationship is very serious and very close to marriage. Do you know what I'm saying? Because especially the girls, you wouldn't want to be in that position of posting different guys, because every guy comes to you being so interested in you, like you could even see through their eye that this guy is very, very interested, but inside their heart you don't know what is there. So you can't be in that situation of always posting different guys on your post, on your picture, on your DM, on your whatever it is, because when you're doing this, there's this smart one that is just one side and just digging your style, that you're actually, you know, using those pictures to portray yourself as an unserious person. Because yes, if today you post this guy A, tomorrow you post guy B, next tomorrow you post guy C, then you look very unserious, and you know, who is this girl? Like, you know, someone that is very much interested and actually digs your style is gonna start seeing you as somebody who is an unserious person, and who actually, you know, has so many guys post which one is she even dating, which one is she even into. So for me, basically, I just feel if you just newly met this guy, or if you just newly know this guy, I don't think it's that time you should start exposing pictures. Somebody you just met 3 days ago, 4 days ago, you're already flaunting pictures on your DM, on your WhatsApp, on your story, like, and if it doesn't work out, you're flaunting another person's picture. I just feel it's not necessary. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, my baby is crying. So I just feel it's not necessary posting pictures of guys you barely know because they say they are interested in you, and you think posting their pictures is gonna make them stick around with you. No, girl, it's a no. Don't even post it. Don't even bother yourself till you get something serious down. Okay, so the serious ones will come along. You don't use your over sabi and your too much sugar body to chase things away. Another thing here, guys, is kissing on a first date. Kissing on a first date. Hey, oh my god, I don't even know. Kissing, no, hell no. Pecking, maybe not. Kissing, extremely no. How can you be exchanging saliva on a first date and you're very comfortable with it? Oh my god. Okay, guys, if you think it depends on whichever personality it is. Some people see it as, you didn't stress me, this girl is cool, we carry on with relationship. And some people see it as, you stressed me, I'm just gonna make out with this girl and just dump her. Girl, guys, but I just feel like kissing on the first date, exchanging saliva on the first date is not just sexy at all. Okay, there's this channel I watched, Kamsi, I think Kamsi Namani's channel or something like that. He brought up a, she brought up a guy, and they did something like a Q&A, and the guy was like, if I don't stress to get you, I'm not gonna have any long relationship with you. I should be able to stress a little bit to get you. If I don't stress to get that kiss, like you just meet me on the first date and me, we're already kissing and exchanging saliva, it should actually turn up for him, because he feels this is how easy and get loose you're gonna be with other guys as well. So there is no need. You should be a little bit you know, like you're not interested or you don't want that kind of thing, you know, that kind of thing. I don't know, but I just feel 98% of guys wouldn't find this interesting. You know, this is actually gonna, you know, of course, chase away that guy you have so much interest in, and you finally got this date time with the guy. And see, let me tell you, if you don't kiss him on the first date and he's still interested in you, still come back and not even make him to even come back. But exchanging saliva on the first date, sis, no, it's not sexy at all. Some people left the table. I know some people left the table. It's okay to leave the table. So guys, thank you. I just feel like coming up here to come and talk about this particular thing. I just find it very interesting, maybe because of the because of the movie I just watched right now. I don't know if you're watching this movie, Wildcat or something like that. Yes, maybe because of it I got interested in talking about this actually. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please, I want to see your comments in the comment sections, what you think about it, about all these things I mentioned right now. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day. Bye. But you make me crazy.
Never got your name.